Technology is advancing at an incredible pace, and the storage devices have been no exception. From bulky external hard drives to compact and portable external SSDs, the storage devices have come a long way. One such innovative product is the EVM EnSave 512GB smallest portable external SSD, which is designed to cater to the modern day's storage needs. With a read speed of 550 MB per second and write speed of 500 MB per second, this compact SSD is the perfect solution for people who are always on the go and need fast and reliable storage. You will get one 512GB SSD, one Type-C to Type-C USB cable, and one Type-C to Type-A USB cable. This 512GB portable SSD is compact, is lightweight, and is slim, and making it the perfect portable storage device. This device weighs is just 60 grams, and its dimensions is of 3.9 centimeters into 1 centimeter into 13.2 centimeters and makes it the smaller than the credit cards. The device is built with an anti-vibration metal body, which not only protects the SSD from scratches and wear, but also provides added durability and protection against accidental drops. This smallest SSD is designed to provide fast and efficient performance with a write speed of 500 MB per second and read speed of 550 MB per second. The device is equipped with 3D NAND flash memory and is shockproof, providing an added layer of protection to your valuable data. The built-in M.2 socket interface allows you to connect to PCs, Macs, smartphones, and other devices with ease. This SSD comes with hardware encryption, which helps keep your private content private. The device is equipped with two high-quality cables, a Type-C to Type-C and a Type-C to Type-A USB cable, making it easy to connect to a wide range of devices. So in conclusion, the EVM EnSave 512GB smallest portable external SSD, as in it is compact, it is fast and efficient storage device that is perfect for people who are always on the go. With a read speed of 550 MB per second and write speed of 500 MB per second. This SSD provides fast and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for people who need fast and efficient storage. The compact and lightweight design combined with the added protection of the anti-vibration metal body makes this device a must-have for people who value portability and durability in their storage devices. So thank you so much for watching this review of the EVM EnSave 512GB's smallest portable external SSD. So if you want this compact and lightweight SSD, be sure to check out the link in the description box below of this video to get your hands on this amazing product. And if you have already used the EVM EnSave 512GB's smallest portable external SSD, we would love to hear your feedbacks in the comment section below. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends who might also be benefited from this fantastic product. Well, thanks again for watching. This is Divya from Tegonity Studio. We'll see you soon in a very new video with some more product reviews like this. See you then. Till then, goodbye. Take care.